Hi everyone, my name is Abel Kantoa. I'm from GREYTEST Card Design Concept. This is actually my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can DM me on WhatsApp. Okay, for for more inquiry on the courses we take on Telegram. We teach all of these softwares on our Telegram platform. The softwares are very much available on the platform. Our videos are available on the platform, and we are online to guide you through every process until you attain mastery. Okay, if you want to have more detailed information, make sure you DM me. Like our page on Facebook, GREYTEST Design Concept. Okay, there is a great platform which I just discovered where you will learn how to trade and then you earn while you trade. Amazing, right? If you've heard of forex trading, why not DM me, and then I will guide you through on how you can get access to that for a token of $99. That's around 40,000 naira. Okay, Nigerian currency. Amazing, right? If you have a lover of trading, why not take advantage of this while it's starting new? Okay, I'll guide you on how you can have access to that. Okay, for a token of $99. Okay, you learn, they teach you how to trade, and then you earn while you trade. Okay, you have professionals on the platform where they give you all your signals. All you have to do is just to copy and paste, and then you make money. Okay, amazing, right? For more detailed information, you can DM me. Okay, we teach all of these softwares, like I said earlier on Telegram. All the softwares are available. Teach them, okay, for a token. Just DM me for more details. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually add your grid lines, okay, on your protastructure. I have already explained how you can come up with your general arrangement in this series, okay, in our series 1. Okay, and I explain how you can actually import your AutoCAD file to your protastructure in our series 2. Today I'm going to be showing you a lot you can do with your grids. Okay, right now you can see here, once you have your drawing that is already imported, or maybe you actually created your axis here in the protastructure itself, you can create axis. You can see if I click on this orthogonal generator, I can, once I click here, you can see here it's telling me our axis spacing, that is 5 meters. Okay, we are going to have 3 of them in 5 meter spacing. Okay, and then here down you can see here we're having, that means this is direction 1 axis, direction 2 axis, just like your x and y axis. Okay, once you do that, if I click on this as okay, you can see it has created it for me. Okay, 1 2 3 here, 1 2 3. Okay, 3 3. But I don't need this right now. I'm going to delete this. Okay, so you can actually create an axis directly from your protastructure without you being importing an AutoCAD file, okay, or any CAD file to your protastructure. Here we already have a CAD file that we have imported. Right now I'm going to be showing you a lot of things you can actually do with your axis. You can see here, if you look at this point here, you see this is your axis balloons plot control. You can see here, you can see we have 2 bulbs at this side, at the left and the right. Now if I zoom here and I can control this label, I can change this to A, for example. If I don't want it to be 1, if I make it A here, and if I click here, you see we have AA. Okay, what if I make this 1 1? So a whole lot of things you can actually do. Just click, you don't need to drag, just zoom to the next point you want to drop, and then you drop. You see there's a lot of relationship between your protastructure and your Orion 18. The protastructure, creating your axis is actually much more easier. On Orion you have to drag before you drop. Here, once you just click at a point, you just zoom and then you drop at the next point. Okay, at this point you can see I have my 1 1 at this side and this other side. Okay, let's say for example, like in the case of this, where this my axis, does not extend to this point, what do I do? All I have to do is just to make my bob at one point, and then I will just click on this. If I click on this point, and then I come here, and then I drop it here. You can see I just have it at a point. Sorry, this is a mistake. It's supposed to be like this. Okay, so let's correct that here. If I have this here, you can see the bob is by this side. Okay, so this is a mistake. You can correct that in your own. You can see this your insertion method. We have different insertions: single segment axis insertion, we have the multiple segment axis insertion, and then we have the curve axis insertion. Okay, for example, you want to create that of a curve. Okay, you can see this one here. You can see a bob at this side, you can see one bob at the middle, you can see another bob at the little end here. That means you insert at 3 points. Okay, your mid, your end, your mid, and your center. Here you can see here, sorry, before I forget, you can see you can remove all of the bob. You can see here there is no bob here, so if I click here, so I'm going to go back to that of curve later. I will show you in this. So if I drop this here, for example, you can see there is no bob at all on this axis. Okay, it's like I'm still on curve. Take it off. Let's go back to axis. Click here. If I take off this, if I take this off, if I click on this point, I'm going to create axis for the whole of this drawing later, and I'll show you that. You can see here this is an axis, but there is no bob on this left side and on this right side. On this curve, if I want to create a curve here, I don't have any curve in my drawing here. Okay, but let's just say we want to create an axis for here, and then if I drop, let's say this is a curve on this curve, and I drop here, I can just drag. Maybe I want to maintain this curve. You can see if I drop this here, it has created an axis for me. If I create a bob here, I can if I take a reference to this point here, I can just sorry, if I create an axis here, then I take that again. This is a curve here, and then I take this here, and then I take here. Okay, from the midpoint, all I have to do is just to drag it here, and then I drop. Let's just say, for example, I want to create an axis here. Okay, you can see a whole lot of things you can actually achieve, but there is no bob on this. Let me insert the one with the bob. Okay, and I click here. Mind you, if I want it to be, let's say let's make this one, and then I click on this point, and then I click on this point, and then I drop it. Wow, you can see a whole lot of things you can actually do with your axis. Okay, if you already love what you are seeing, why not give it a thumbs up? Subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification, okay, whenever I post videos, because I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that are trying to have a deeper insight in design. Okay, make sure that you stay safe and make sure that you stay blessed. Okay, if you have interest in forex trading, okay, where you can earn while you learn, okay, you are earning and you are learning how to trade. They will teach you how to trade by professionals who have been into trading for many years, for decades. Okay, they are there on that platform, and then they guide you through the process until you attain mastery in forex trade. Okay, and then you earn even while you are learning. Okay, because it is something that I find much more interesting and blessing to me. Okay, so try as much as possible that you register with us. Okay, please, and make sure that you stay safe, and make sure that you stay blessed.